What is up, everybody, and welcome back to the channel. My name is 𝗖𝗧𝗡𝗘𝗖𝗧. In this episode, we're going to be talking about 𝗪𝗓𝗧 and two major pieces of news, two major catalysts that are going to blow your mind. I'm talking about big news here. But before we get into it, as always, you know what to do. Smash that like button and flood the comments with electricity bolts. If you're bullish on this news, you're going to hear. So wait a little bit. If you're bullish on it, flood the comments because it is big news here, ladies and gentlemen. First off, 𝗪𝗓𝗧 has announced, they said, we don't care about the bottom. We only focus on the top. That's why we could only schedule our biggest ever volt burn at a new all-time high. As soon as we reach a new all-time high on the ETH chain, we will burn 1 million. Am I reading that correctly? 1 million worth of volt. $500,000 on each chain. Now, I've been making crypto content for about 2 years, and I don't think I've ever seen a token make a burn as big as $1 million this far into the token's life cycle. I've seen it at the beginning when a token launches, they burn 5 million, but no one's bought it in. This is happening while 𝗪𝗓𝗧 already has a $78 million market cap, and it's been up to around a $250 million market cap. Now, you can see here today, after this news, Volt is up 22% on the day, which is incredibly bullish, and the Volt army is trying their best to get to this all-time high in order to get that massive token burn. Now, you might say, Jake, you just said Volt was at a $250 million market cap. Now it's at a $78 million market cap. What is happening with Volt? No. Let me stop you there. It's not what is happening with Volt. It is what is happening with the crypto market. We went from a $1.8 trillion market cap last week down to a $1.4 trillion market cap this week. Earlier last week, literally last week, Bitcoin was at 39,000. ETH was around 3K, and now look where the tokens are at, right? So 𝗪𝗓𝗧 is rebounding while a lot of tokens that I'm bullish on are still suffering. Even 𝗖𝗢𝗡𝗡𝗘𝗖𝗧, which I'm very, very bullish on, still suffering. Volt is rebounding nicely after this incredible news. Now, that's not it, ladies and gentlemen. We also saw the news that 𝗪𝗓𝗧 is going to be listed on its 20th centralized exchange, and that exchange is 𝗪𝗓𝗡𝗡𝗘𝗖𝗧, which is a reputable exchange, and it's one of the biggest. They say the largest European crypto exchange. It's one of the biggest. They're claiming the largest, but this is a reputable exchange here. So 𝗪𝗓𝗧 will be listed on its 20th centralized exchange named 𝗪𝗓𝗡𝗡𝗧, and it's coming soon. Now, I asked you guys at the beginning to leave electricity bolts. If those two pieces of news make you bullish, flood the comments with electricity bolts here on YouTube, guys. Incredible news. I made this tweet earlier today. I said 𝗪𝗓𝗧 broke the internet last night by announcing they will do a 1 million USD token burn, which is insane, when they surpass all-time highs. Today, they got listed on their 20th centralized exchange, 𝗪𝗓𝗡𝗡𝗧. And then I want to say, very bullish on 𝗪𝗓𝗧 and their dev team that continues to execute day in and day out. And guys, look at this. We didn't run a competition for this or anything. Look at the support that the 𝗪𝗓𝗧 community is responding with. Over 200 plus retweets, and it's been less than 2 hours. Like, that's insane. 363 likes. If that doesn't show you how strong a community is, I don't know what will. So even in bad times, even in good times, we continue to Volt. As soon as Volt breaks all-time highs, which I believe is in the 3168 range, they're going to burn $1 million worth of tokens, which, as you guys know, as supply goes down, demand obviously goes up, and they're going to burn. Who knows how much $1 million worth of token is, but they're going to burn a ton of tokens. And like I said, I haven't really seen a token do this or a dev team do this. They don't have to do that. I haven't seen a dev team do this this far into a token's life cycle. So big news here from 𝗪𝗓𝗧. Very, very impressive from the dev team. I can't speak highly enough about 𝗪𝗧𝗏 and how they're executing. During a bear market, they continue to provide good news with this announcement of the token burn, as well as the announcement of the 𝗪𝗓𝗡𝗡𝗧 listing. And they said 30 exchanges by summertime. We're in springtime. It's only May. It's May 10th today. And they want 30 exchanges by summertime. Big news here, guys. Let me know your thoughts in the comments. As always, guys, make sure to do your own research when investing in cryptocurrency and DeFi projects. I'm just bringing you this news to share some of the news that's happening in 𝗪𝗓𝗧. Thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure to smash that like button, leave a comment below, and consider subscribing to your boy 𝗖𝗧𝗡𝗘𝗖𝗧's channel. We appreciate you so much. We'll be back on the live stream tonight. Thanks so much.